We're gonna burp it out. We're gonna burp. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome
back to eat with Don.
How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know we are. She over there, she having a jolly good time. Ooh, I should turn the camera around on you.
No.
Anyway, y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. Alright, so
we have a burping video as always for you guys.
We have a burping video. Nah. You ain't never know if I'm a burp or if I'm gonna do a mukbang.
Well, she has like 250 plus mukbangs.
Mukbangs.
So if you're a fan, check it out.
It's a lot of videos for you to watch and a lot of restaurants for you to catch up on, whichever one you want to, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I was in Walgreens and I seen the cranberry ginger ale. So I said, okay, I'm gonna pick it up and we gonna try it tonight. So we gonna see what the cranberry and the dry.
Don't start. Oh, don't start.
That's not soft sounds. That's just irritating sounds. That ain't doing nothing for me. So anyway, how was y'all evening? Ooh, oopsie. You see all that? Yeah, but oop shit. Nope, stay down there. Oh, this gonna give me some good burps tonight. Shamika, where my cookie at?
What cookie?
What you mean, what cookie? Then we go to,
Aren't you doing the video?
heck yeah, but I'm supposed to have my cookie too. Shoot.
What was that? Oh yeah, you did say you paid.
Exactly. You done ate them all up?
So, can I get a cookie?
Yeah.
That cookie's too sweet.
It is? I don't want it. And soda?
Yeah. Well, to me it is only.
Dang, girl. Got me a chocolate chip cookie.
The bet oh they good.
Dang. Hey, you know where,
What?
Arby's double chocolate? Them joints good.
That's good?
What? Them joints is good.
They warm them up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pick up one.
I thought you said you wanted me to go pick them up. Now she going, because she want cookies. Nah, but them cookies though, yo, they on point. Real chocolate, it's just good. Woo. They kind of on the pricey side though, Mika.
Oh no.
They not like these. They not $2 for $1. Ugh. I could have did without that. Shoshana, you want this?
You just cried out for that.
I did, and I could have did without it. Honestly, it's not. I don't know. That cookies used to be good, especially warmed up. I don't know what this is that I'm eating. Anyway, let's get to this video.
Exactly.
Listen, this is me.
Mama, drink the soda. We don't want to hear all that.
Get off my chest. It nasty.
No, you been trying to talk.
Let
It's not a burp.
my food.
Really? You knew
Yes. Yes. That goes for Shoshana.
that? Wow.
In case you didn't hear what I said, it goes a little something like this. Get off my chest, you nasty Rachel, and my food digest. That's what I said.
You was just straight up.
Yeah. I feel like clowning tonight. She like, mama, whatever you take, I want some of that.
Right. Dude, of all
Y'all, I am tonight and shoot. It's just one of them days. Y'all know how it is. Just one of them days. Like I'm just well, what I did today, really, I started back meditating. I really had to. I gotta get my mind together. So
Life updates.
Yeah, life updates. I started back meditating because I was a big meditator. So then I stopped. I just quit. So I'm back to doing that.
This time she won't quit.
I'm not. Bitch, you think.
Took too long to go ahead and sip
You
it.
feel me? Ain't gonna mess up my shirt.
Ooh, she loud tonight, y'all. She rowdy.
Nah, I'm gonna drink you.
No,
And you better give me some good burps.
I am not for drink.
What?
I am not for drink.
Me and this cranberry, we gonna have issues tonight. What the? Oh, hecky no. Alright. It's dripping all over me. Oh. Golly. Let me wipe it off. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now let's start. Nasty cookie out my way. Well, I can tell you, I don't know if that's cranberry flavor I'm tasting. I taste something, but I don't know. It's not real tart. Ooh, a little bit more. Let's try to hold that burp down there. Ooh, have mercy.
I don't think that's her best one today.
Well,
Barely.
you messed up the shirt. I'm gonna take it because you did me right. Did me very right. All right, let's drink a little bit more. Y'all should make us still saying we sabotage her. Oh, Shoshana. Oh, that felt so good. That felt so good. And yes, I do always say it. Cause it's good. Ooh. She looked at me. What you looking at, Sean?
Nothing at all.
You should not feel as if I'm burping on you sitting down.
I know, right?
This is really hitting tonight. I'm gonna drink a little bit more. And then, let's see how much sugar this has. Okay. It's about 8 servings. And 24 grams. Oh well. Y'all, that's it for me tonight.